Kasi pag mag-dissertation ka, then hindi ka, bawal sa iyo ang survey. Kasi ang survey, magpunta ka sa ibang mga lugar. But then if you will only make an experiment is also a little smaller for a dissertation. Maski pa kung Solomon siya, because hindi ka naman lumalabas. So ang suggestion ko, gumawa ka ng tinatawag natin na mixed methods. And then sa mixed methods design, you can begin with an experiment. That is your quantitative phase. And then why is it na iyon ang epekto ng experiment sa mga apat na groups? And so to understand what happens, so you need qualitative interviews sa lived experiences. So your quanti will be Solomon experimental group and for group design as a type of experiment. And then second will be your phenomenology. Ano ba ang lived experiences ng mga tao na nag-undergo ng bawat isa sa kanilang grupo? So there can be 4 groups of people to be interviewed. No, so sila, ano ba nangyari sa mga grupo nila na tinuturuan mo ng kakaiba? No? So hindi ka lumalabas pero extensive naman yung study mo. Kasi nag-experiment ka, at the same time nag-pheno pa equals a good study. All right. Okay. No? Okay. So I'll set you off today so that by 1 o'clock we will be back. No? Para ma-process kita, or I think you need more time, 1:30 na lang, no? 1:30 na lang. Okay. And then, we will not stay long in the afternoon kasi gusto ko lang ma-process yung workshop ninyo at ma-set up ka agad. I can guide you to next. And then, pag natapos mo na itong workshop natin, then I'd like you to go to our GC para inyong mabasa yung itong portion na to. Yun bang editable rubrics. Remember? I-scroll up mo nga kung nandyan ba ang editable rubrics. Itong editable rubrics, naririto ang standard on how to write editable rubrics. Saan ba yon? Editable rubrics. Parang wala sa ibang section. So, I'll get it for a while. Dissertation rubrics, editable file. Dito na. Dissertation rubrics. If you're going to look at the rubrics, kompleto siya, no? Ano ang standard mula sa title hanggang sa introduction? Ano dapat ang nandito? Alright. And then, literature review. And then, pag research method, tingnan mo ang qualitative, ang quantitative, at saka mixed methods. In the results and discussion, tingnan mo ang quali, tingnan mo ang quanti, iba-ibang requirements, at saka mixed methods. Hanggang sa discussion, ano ang ilagay dyan, hanggang sa general comments. Ganon. Okay, so let's make use of our time.
Mute na po, Gadok.